Here's a wee quick one for you. A Hikoki Instafix. This here is actually brand new. This was only sold yesterday. Label still on it, €185. Customer's been using it this morning and it's just stopped. So there's a wee Instafix. Hopefully this isn't a warranty repair. Hopefully it's just a wee quick and easy repair. So let's get under here and see what's wrong. So what is she? It's the DH28PX2 and 110 volt. First off, test it out, make sure it is actually stopped. It's not something silly like the lead. Obviously it's 110 volt, so there's no fuse. But she's not even giving a kick. Right, let's get on there, see what we can do. With corded machines, it's far better to be making no sound than a bad sound. It's brand new, so imagine it's going to be something simple. Or guessing at least. I hope it is. Sure, where's that meant to be? Is that not meant to be in there? Is it really that simple? It actually is. That's just a pressed in fitting. The wire's been soldered and actually just be pressed into a wee metal one-way spring. Goes in, it shouldn't come out. Now it's on. I think that's it. This could be the easiest one today. Test it out and see. Well, that was rather unexciting. A very, very basic repair. One broken wire or even disconnected wire from the switch. All you need to do is just shove it back in again. Probably the boy in the factory just didn't put it enough. It was only just sitting there, so whenever he actually ran it for a few minutes, eventually rattled loose. Just dropped away, lost contact. Push it on the full way, solves the problem. So that's it. Simple as that. One Hikoki, up and running again. At least I don't have to send this thing away for a warranty repair. I can come on for it again straight away. That's her, ready for work.